Hello and welcome back to Ian's Gadget. Now in today's video, I'll be taking you through some of the do's and don'ts of the Samsung front load washing machine. If you're new here, kindly subscribe so you get to know when I post more gadget videos. Also, do give this video a thumbs up, I'll truly appreciate. Now without much ado, let's get into it. One, separate colors. When you're doing laundry, it is highly recommended to separate clothes by color, especially light and dark clothing. Dyes in darker colored clothing can seep into lighter colored clothing during the washing process, and light clothing can throw into off-shade colors and be ruined. 2. Do check garment care labels. Before you insert your clothes in the washing machine, always check the care labels for washing guidelines. This will give you instructions on the appropriate temperature and wash cycle. Sort the laundry into cottons, mixed fibers, synthetics, silks, wools and rayon. Mixing different sized items together in the drum improves the washing performance. Remember to wash delicate items separately. Also, load clothing items step by step. Three, empty pockets. Metal objects such as coins, pins, and buckles on clothing may damage other laundry items as well as the drum. Hence, it is advisable to empty all the pockets of your laundry items. Also, it's an excellent idea to turn clothing with buttons and embroideries inside out. If you have clothing with long strings, make sure to tie the strings before starting the wash. 4. Use laundry nets. When you're washing delicates like lingerie, it's advisable to place them in a laundry net. Small clothing such as socks, gloves, stockings, and handkerchiefs may become caught around the door, hence, you should place them inside a fine laundry net. Having said that, do not wash the laundry net by itself without other laundry. This could result in abnormal vibrations that could move the washing machine and result in injury. 5. Put detergents in the right place. The washing machine provides a 3-compartment dispenser. The left compartment is for the main wash, the front right for fabric softener, and the rear right for the preliminary wash. 6. Leave your washing machine door open after use. This will allow it to air out and help prevent mold and mildew from growing. That way, you will avoid nasty smells in your kitchen. 7. And lastly, do clean your washing machine. Regular cleaning is an important part of knowing how to use a washing machine. After all, your washing machine won't be able to wash efficiently if it's not clean itself. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, I'll truly appreciate. Also, do subscribe to this channel so you get to know when I post more gadget videos. See you in the next one. Bye bye.